That is where we got to now, and we're gonna find some new ways to... What's up, guys? I am going to go through these packages I got from Whatnot. I'm testing out a new process where I do some sourcing from Whatnot, and then I sell that stuff on eBay. And as we all know, I'm in the middle of a 100K challenge on eBay where I need to sell $100,000 in gross revenue on eBay in 2024. And we're running into some roadblocks with just sourcing at the bins and sourcing the way we're sourcing. So we're gonna find some new ways to gain some new revenue. So these are from two different sellers from Whatnot. This actually happened on a whim. This wasn't a plan. I got on Whatnot and started watching some people because I'm trying to grow my Whatnot page, and someone said online, they're like, you need to watch other people's Whatnot shows and chat with them. So I'm like, all right, I'll go in. And all of a sudden I landed on a couple people's pages and I started buying things. If you've been on Whatnot, it's kind of how it goes. You see some things that you like and you just start bidding on them and you win them. Anywho, the things in this box are from one seller, and then the things in that bag are from another. You might say like, oh, you just put that stuff in a box. I'm gonna put these little videos up from like the video receipt of me buying them on Whatnot, so you guys can trust to see, okay, he actually bought that. I'll pop up the prices and then also what they will go for on eBay. But let's dive right in. I have opened this box, full transparency. I wanted to make sure everything was in there. But this one is it's a good box of stuff. This is pretty much how they packed it. We're gonna get right into it with this Kyrie Irving jersey. So this is a Nike jersey, and it's in really good condition. Size 48, which is a large. And yeah, there's no stains or anything like that on it. I bought this one for $16.78.
Thank you for your bid. Rockwell sells.
This was the first item I bought from this person's show, so I had to pay for shipping on it on the front end. So that's why I kind of paid up for this one. This is worth about $30-ish, depending on, you know, who buys it and whatnot. So I think I should be able to get about $30 plus shipping on that. So not too bad there. We'll stick it down here. Alrighty, and then we got these red Adidas. They're kind of like a skate shoe, and they are a little bit more worn than I thought they were going to be. You can see like in the back there. The bottoms are in really good condition. Sides aren't bad, it's just kind of like, it seems like someone really got some good miles out of these things. But these I got for, when no one was bidding on them, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy them. I got them for $3.28 after tax, after shipping and everything.
Thank you. Rockwell resells for your bid.
People sell them for like 90 bucks. I think with the wear, I'm expecting to get about 50, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But $3.28, that's pretty much Goodwill bins pricing for a pair of shoes. So I'm not mad at that at all. Okay. So then the last thing I got from, gosh, she's a very nice person, but she wrapped it up kind of weird. Like she put this, we love our customers like hanger in there with just the paper. And then this like bag that's kind of yellow and it looks like it, I don't even know where this thing came from. Man. Okay, we'll give her a little shout out because she gave us some good deals. Cutieful Things is her name. Go check her out on Whatnot. We'll give her a shout out. Just some random things in the box, but that's fine. No harm, no foul. We'll put this down there. But next thing on the list, we have these Giselles, which, again, they're a little bit, you know, there's some wear, some staining, but the bottoms look great. Just some toe wear that I think could clean up pretty well. It's a women's shoe. I think they could sell, I don't know, my calculations are like probably $25 to $30. So I picked these up for $7.66.
Yay, Rockwell resells. Thank you.
So again, not bad. Like this one would be probably more towards like the Goodwill retail store pricing, but I mean, probably cheaper to be honest. I bet you go to a Goodwill retail store and these would be $19.99. So Another one that we're gonna profit on. And then to the bag. The bag. This is from Whatnot seller that I once again popped into the show, and it was like so random, but they were showing like brand new stuff with tags, starting it at like $5, $10, $15, whatever it was, and there was like maybe they're starting at like 20, and there was only like 5 people on the show, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a gold mine. Like, I got to get in on this. So we definitely did, and we cashed out. So the first thing I got here is this Pearl Izumi cycling jacket. And Michaela and I have been selling a lot of cycling stuff over the last couple months. It's kind of just become our little like secret niche that no one knows about. But it's a brand new with tags jacket. On the tag, $130. It's a super nice cycling jacket, right? It's a name brand cycling jacket. I got this for $10.93.
Really helpful pocket. And then Rockwell resale. Nice job.
The tag says $130. I think I should easily get $50 to $60 all day long for that jacket. So super great pickup. I'm super stoked on that just because I love selling this kinds of stuff. And then we got this Polo Ralph Lauren polo. It's huge. Like, not in a bad way. It's just a big shirt. And on this tag, so it's a 4XL, but this one on the tag, $125. And I bought this for $25.
Oh. All right, Rockwell, nice job.
I think I should be able to get all day long $75 to $80 plus shipping on eBay. So another really good pickup. And then a brand that when I was, growing up or just in general, I don't know, this brand has just really caught on lately. It's Carhartt. You've probably heard of it. But it's just like a really nice jacket. I think this is like the Jefferson Duck Jacket or the Quick Duck Jacket or something like that. Yeah, the Quick Duck Jefferson. And check this tag out. Actually, this doesn't have a price on the tag, but it's a 3XL. It's a 3XL, and it's brand new with tags. And these brand new sell, I think, for $250 or something. But I should be able to get $130 all day long plus shipping on eBay. So, I mean, oh, I didn't tell you what I bought it for. I bought it for $30.98.
3XL jacket. So that's awesome.
With shipping included. And then the last but not least item that we got was another Carhartt jacket. So we got 2 Carhartt jackets. This one's better size in my opinion. It's just an XL tall. So it's a little bit, I don't know. It's a little smaller, so maybe some more people potentially wear. I don't know what I'm saying. But it's Sherpa lined. It's a Sherpa lined, very warm and cozy. I got this one for $25.
Men's Carhartt jacket in a size extra large. All right, nice job, Rockwell.
And I believe this brand new is $150, and I should be able to get $90 all day long for it. Okay, so the grand total of what I paid for this whole lot is $120.63. Actually, $119.63. And the total value of everything with reasonable pricing on eBay should be about $460. Then I took off the fees, so it'll be about 15% for clothing for me, for fees, so that's $69. That brings us down to $391. And then I took off the $120 from the $391, so that leaves us with $271 of profit potential here. And let's say we get some low offers or whatever and take off another $70. That's still $200 from about, I don't know, 20 minutes of sourcing, I would say, in these Whatnot shows. So I do approve Whatnot sourcing if you do your research, because you can easily do your research while you're watching the show. Like, these things I was looking up as I was bidding on them on eBay. So like, watch the show and then look up what you're bidding on, and you can easily make money off of Whatnot. Like, There's not that many shows that have hundreds of viewers. There's a lot of shows that have 20 or less people in them that aren't even buying things. So I would consider using Whatnot as a place to source for your eBay, Poshmark, or really any store that you have. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more unboxings. We got a lot more coming. There's going to be more Whatnot unboxings. There's going to be some other bail unboxings. And like the video. Send this to your friends, and we'll see you next week on Wednesday. Peace out.